The feds are coming for crypto. Can crypto survive with what's going on right now? If you've noticed in the past couple of days, actually, the last several days, cryptocurrencies have crashed pretty massively, especially the altcoins. Bitcoin has been holding up relatively strong. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you something very, very important because I think, despite all the crashing and the crazy stuff we've been hearing, I think we could see a pretty big bounce here relatively soon. But we also need to talk about these lawsuits. The SEC is attacking and going after cryptocurrency. What does this mean for you and the future of cryptocurrency? Well, in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys exactly my thoughts about that and where I think cryptos are about to head in the immediate short term. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, but stick most importantly to the very end of this video. So if we go to the crypto charts, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be pretty simple for us. What we can see is that we're getting a buy indication on the ALGOSNIPER trading indicator, but most importantly, if we look just a pretty zoomed in look at Bitcoin in the 30-minute time frame, we are seeing that it has potentially found some type of bottom in the immediate short term. If we zoom out here, we can see that Bitcoin is trading in this little trading box. It's called a range. And I think Bitcoin at the minimum will probably come up and test this middle range area to probably come back to test the top of this level. If it breaks above the top level here, we could see a pretty significant move to the upside. But let me tell you something even more important and even better. All the types of FUD out there, like, when cryptos get banned or any type of terrible FUD, it actually marks usually the bottoms of the market because you get FUD and it causes a huge crash or reaction and it creates a strong low. And that's where cryptos begin to bounce up from. So if we take a look back at like the banking crisis, cryptos crashed and then they moved and pumped up the entire year from that event. We could potentially be seeing some type of short-term bottom. If we do zoom out here though, we can see that Bitcoin is very clearly forming lower highs and Bitcoin is very clearly forming a downtrend. So it is heading down. I do think Bitcoin will ultimately in the next few months will probably test 21,000, maybe 19,000. And ultimately, I do think Bitcoin could test the yearly open, which is around $16,000. Now, I can be completely wrong, and it doesn't matter if I'm predicting things because trading and investing has nothing to do with predicting. That honestly means nothing. That's just pure luck. If you can predict that Bitcoin's gonna hit 22,000 on April 2nd, 2090, it doesn't matter. What is important is reacting to how the price action is presenting information to us. So if it's bullish or bearish, or it shows us bullish signs, we trade off of it, of course. I'm a day trader, professional crypto day trader, and I trade based on patterns. I trade based on price action, all different types of things. But in a bullish scenario, we could be forming some type of short-term bottom, getting some type of pump up this week, and then probably continue heading down lower. I don't know, or at this moment, this could be the peak of today. We are green, a little bit of green today. Cryptos could ultimately top out from here and continue heading lower, which I will alert you guys in my Patreon and my communities, which you can join with the link below. This week is also going to be incredibly crazy. We have CPI, we have all this data coming out, the Fed raising rates or pausing rates. Any of these decisions can change the crypto market for this entire year. So this week is going to be one of the biggest weeks in cryptocurrencies this entire year. We have the Feds coming after cryptocurrency. What does this mean for cryptocurrency? Well, essentially, guys, the Fed is attacking cryptocurrency because I believe they're paid by the banks to do so, to try to shut down cryptos as much as possible. But I don't think they are going to prevail. And I also think that by them doing this, it's actually going to help the cryptocurrency market out because these huge institutions, Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, the ones that are being sued and being attacked by the SEC, that their legal teams are going to beat the SEC, and that's going to put the SEC down for good from all this crypto regulation stuff. So all of this stuff is good, honestly, in my opinion. I can be completely wrong, and nothing in this video constitutes financial advice. Now, guys, I highly recommend that you are in my Patreon where I'm putting out profitable trade alerts every single week. This week, we made 2 huge profitable trades, and every single week I'm posting profitable trades. Make sure you guys join the Patreon today. Also, something incredibly amazing, if you guys don't want trade alerts or if you just want to be trading on your own, I created this trading algorithm. Look, it says, look at this thing is amazing. Look, When it says to sell, look at what happens, a huge crash. When it says to buy, a huge pump. When it says to sell, crash. It just said buy now. So it's just crazy, guys. You need to try this thing. It is the most accurate trading indicator system out there, period. And if you are trading cryptocurrencies, make sure you're doing it over with me on BitGet. It is the best and most trusted crypto trading platform in the world, where the SEC cannot come after them and your funds are safe over there. That's gonna be it for this video. If you guys got something out of this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and I'll see you later. Also, if you're interested in learning how to make cryptocurrency trading your full-time income, apply with the link below.